how to unlock Snapchat account when permanently locked. So the first thing that you want to do is open up a web browser on your device. Over here, go to Google and search for Snapchat support. After that, click on the first result. Then on the Snapchat support page, click on the Contact Us button. Over here, select the option that says, I think my account has been compromised. After that, you will be directed to a form. Then enter your Snapchat username, email address, and phone number linked to your account. Over here, describe your issue and mention that your account was locked, you haven't violated any terms, and you request a review. After that, double check all the information, then click on Submit. After that, a ticket will be created and you will receive an email about the status. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.